NATO's 30 allies signed an accession protocol for Finland and Sweden on Tuesday, allowing them to join the nuclear-armed alliance once parliaments ratify the decision, the most significant expansion of the alliance since the 1990s. The signing at NATO headquarters follows a deal with Turkey at last week's NATO summit in Madrid, where Ankara lifted its veto on the Nordic membership bids following assurances that both countries would do more to fight terrorism. The protocol means Helsinki and Stockholm can participate in NATO meetings and have greater access to intelligence, but will not be protected by the NATO defense clause, that an attack on one ally is an attack against all, until ratification. That is likely to take up to a year. Moscow has repeatedly warned both countries against joining NATO. On March 12, the Russian Foreign Ministry said there will be serious military and political consequences